Phonics Vowels, Level 1, a Smart Kids Club publication. Table of Contents. Long A. Let's learn some words that have the long A sound. A, acorn, cake, gate, rain, lake, ape, tray, braid, angel. Here are some words that have the long A sound. A. The cake is on the tray. The ape looks at the acorn. Today it is raining at the lake. Short A. Let's learn some words that have the short A sound. Apple, cat, ant, alligator, cap, map, bat, bag, hat. Here are some words that have the short A sound. The cat is playing inside the bag. The alligator is looking at the bat. The ant is eating an apple. Long E. Let's learn some words that have the long E sound. E, eagle, tree, heel, eel, seat, bean, feet, beak, geese. Here are some words that have the long E sound. E. This eagle has a big beak. Those geese sit under a tree. He puts his feet up on the seat. Short E. Let's learn some words that have the short E sound. Egg, bell, net, bread, bed, elephant, neck, belt, chest. Here are some words that have the short E sound. I eat bread with my egg. His cat has a bell around its neck. My toy elephant sits on my bed. Long I. Let's learn some words that have the I sound. I. Ice, kite, lime, light, bike, island, pie, mice, iron. Here are some words that have the long I sound. I. There is ice in the lime juice. I have a light on my bike. The mice are eating the pie. Short I. Let's learn some words that have the short I sound. Insect, hip, hill, grill, lid, fin, pin, pig, igloo. Here are some words that have the short I sound. The insect is sitting on the lid of the jar. There is an igloo on the hill. The pig hurt its hip. Long O. Let's learn some words that have the long O sound. O, O. Ocean, comb, toe, coat, phone, toad, goat, stone, boat. Here are some words that have the long O sound. O, O. There is a boat on the ocean. The goat has a white coat. The toad sits on a stone. Short O. Let's learn some words that have the short O sound. Ah, ah. Octopus, mop, hog, box, fox, log, dog, pot, otter. Here are some words that have the short O sound. Ah, ah. The octopus cleaned with a mop. The dog and hog played a game. The fox sat beside a box. Long U. Let's learn some words that have the long U sound. U, U. Unicorn, moose, stool, ruler, roof, boot, tuba, goose, moon. Here are some words that have the long U sound. U, U. The unicorn looked at the moon. The goose flies down from the roof. The moose sat on a stool. Short U. Let's learn some words that have the short U sound. Umbrella, duck, pup, bus, mud, sun, cup, glove, bug. Here are some words that have the short U sound. The duck holds an umbrella. The bus goes through the mud. The bug sits in the sun.